The Philippines boasts as the only Christian nation in Asia. Its Catholic majority has its origin in the island's long period as a Spanish colony. However, it has been debatable until nowadays if what really is the place where the first Mass in the Philippines occurred. Now, our group will be presenting our research about our assigned topic. The Mahaba Island is said to be the first place where the first Mass was located.
Some inhabitants of northeastern Mindanao assert that Mahaba Island is the site of the first Mass. Some of them could be residents of Mahaba Island that claims to be where the Philippines' first Mass occurred. As time passes, new sources emerge and various people claim what the truth is. This also applies to those who assert this reasoning in order for us to understand what really happened and for the people's perceptions to be clarified.
There was no specific date when the source was created. This is due to the fact that the document is unwritten, and people rely only on verbal communication to preserve their insights rather than printed sources. People have considered gathering all conceivable claims surrounding the first Mass in the Philippines as time has passed, and the Mahaba Island has captured the attention of several people who then have gathered information about this.
The people who created the source are thought to be from northeastern Mindanao, particularly Surigao. The event took place in Mazava Island, currently known as Mahaba Island, in the municipality of Placer, Surigao del Norte. Mahaba Island is a small island near a larger island known as Masapilid Island, which Magellan mistook for being connected.
Here are the pieces of evidences that we've gathered to support the claim of the northeastern Mindanaoans that Mahaba Island was the place where the first Mass was held by utilizing Pigafetta's travelogue, Francisco Albo's logbook, and the present map.
According to Pigafetta's travelogue, when Magellan was nearing the shores of Mindanao, he saw lights of a settlement which he avoided and sailed farther south and anchored near an island named Masaba, now marked on the map as the Mahaba Island, located at latitude 9 and 2/3 degrees.
Their expedition uses astrolabe, an instrument used for astronomical measurement. It is to determine their position on the globe, and the accuracy of this instrument is minus or plus 1 degree.
When they landed, they checked their location and arrived at 1/3 degree reading, which they couldn't have done so on a moving ship.
It's impossible for them to measure the longitude, for it was later than invented, the chronometer in 1740 by an Englishman, James Harrison.
If the present maps will be examined today, Mazava Island appears to be Mahaba Island in the municipality of Placer, Surigao del Norte. Magellan could have mistaken Mahaba Island, a small island, to be part of Masipilid Island because it almost touches the bigger island.
The flotilla of Magellan most probably anchored between these two islands, the Mazaba and the Masipilid, which described and known for its stingray shape, just as described by Pigafetta.
It was also stated in Francisco Albo's logbook, who is the pilot of Victoria, that kept a log of the voyage called Diario o Derrotero, that when they coasted in Mazava Island, people were very good and welcomed them. Hence, they placed a cross upon a mountain, and from then the people showed them 3 islands that they say there is so much gold. Then they showed them on how to gather it. Although Albo's log did not mention where exactly the first mass occurred, this has become a strong evidence for the people of northeastern Mindanao. They might have believed that because of the cross that was erected in Mazava Island gives them the idea that the mass have happened there.